decorative plants. So we're gonna talk about water lilies now. Just to clarify, those are different from lotuses, though some lotuses are in the water lily family. This family contains about 70 species, which live in temperate and tropical areas. Most are perennial, meaning they live more than 2 years. Water lilies usually have round, waxy leaves, which often float on the surface of the water, but they can be submerged too. They have a long stem, of course, that goes to the bottom of the pond or wherever they grow. In the mud is buried a thick, fleshy stalk, good food for some animals. Even humans can eat it. And those plants grow fast, too. Okay, let's move on to the actual flower. Each individual only grows one flower. It's sort of cup-shaped, with petals arranged in a spiral pattern. And it tends to have many stamens, those male parts. Most species' flowers have both sexes, but they usually alternate which one is active. So self-pollination is uncommon but not unheard of. Usually the wind or insects pollinate water lilies. Once fertilized, a flower turns into a fruit, which can look like a nut or berry. Some fruits actually grow underwater. Then they rot and the seeds get dispersed by the current. They can also reproduce with their roots. Yeah, some plants just do that. Extend their roots and sprout somewhere else. Here's something crazy about lily pads. You probably imagine a little frog sitting on them, but some of them get real huge. The Amazonian water lilies can grow up to 3 meters wide. They also have this weird rim, giving them the nickname of water platter. You can serve a young human child on that. Sorry, that came out wrong. So, water lilies are pretty and good for the health of a body of water, but be careful as they can get invasive. I did mention they're fast growers and they can push other plants aside or hide them from the sun with their giant leaves. Sorry again for the child thing. See ya!